Forno Appliances introduces you to the Espresso line, 6012-30, electric white range. Combines style with top-notch performance. Elegant pro-style door handle with large viewing window. 6 antique brass handles with bezel rings will maintain its luster for years to come. The ceramic glass provides an even heat distribution and smooth cookware mobility. The radiant elements range from 1200 to 2500 watts of power. The oven capacity size is of 5 cubic feet and comes equipped with 2 adjustable oven racks. 2 bright halogen lights, making it easier to see the baking process. High-performance convection fan for even heating baking. A high-efficiency top broiler that can output 2000 watts for professional cooking results. A powerful hidden bake element hides below the oven floor, providing 1500 watts of power. Cuts down on odors and smoke by keeping food butts from burning onto the element. Offers an extra touch of elegance with a supplementary set of stainless steel handles, allowing you to transform the appearance of both our unit and kitchen. Cook with confidence and embrace efficiency and style with every use. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, a new era of cooking appliance.